Sudan 16 killed amid insecurity in Khartoum. Sudan intelligence chief resigns. Sudanese celebrate designation of military council chief. Sudan's military council asks support from Arab states. Israel arrests 3 Palestinians near Gaza fence. Syria says 3 soldiers injured in Israeli airstrike. Yemen parliament convenes for first time since civil war. 200 Daesh terrorists handed over to Iraqi authorities. Saudi gave Libya's Haftar $1 million, reports. US Muslim student targeted in attack at high school. Afghan government blasts Taliban's spring offensives. Pakistan 6 killed in flash flooding.